Today I'll be talking about the most important thing in your job servicing business, and that is your job servicing website. I'll be sharing the top 5 things that every job servicing website need to have. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. So today I'll be talking about job servicing website and what are the top 5 job servicing website must-haves. Besides having about page and the services offered page on your job servicing website, I have finalized the top 5 things that every successful job servicing website need to have. Having a website for your job servicing business is very crucial, but your website do not need to be very fancy. I prefer my job servicing website to be very simple and straight to the point. So the very first thing that you need to have on your job servicing website will be your portfolios or the sample jobs. As long as you are selling something online or you are an online seller, you know that having a portfolio or a previous job is super important. I understand that many of you will be asking me, how if I'm new to job servicing and I do not have any portfolio to work with? I have previously made a video on how you can get sample jobs from 2 sources. I will leave the link up here as well as down in the description box below. Another quick way to get your own portfolio if you are just starting out doing job servicing and you do not have any sample jobs or any portfolio, then you can offer your service for free to your friend and ask them to give you a review as well as use that sample job as your portfolio. If you are a total beginner in doing job servicing business, you can actually opt out the job servicing website first. Instead, you gather more experience through serving clients on online platforms and online marketplaces. This way, once you have enough portfolio and testimonials, then you can gather all these portfolios and put them on the website when your business is more stable. The next important thing that you need to have on your job servicing website will be your testimonials. I feel that this is something that every website should have. If you are selling something online, testimonials are something which is very important, and your customers or your clients will look at your testimonials first before going over to your pricing. You need to have this habit of prompting your clients for reviews and testimonials. Based on my experience, most customers or clients, they do not automatically give you the reviews. So you need to prompt them and ask them to leave a review either on your website or on your social media pages. Most of the time is you ask for it and you will get it. If you don't ask, then most of the time they won't give you. No matter where your sales came from, you need to prompt them for the testimonials and the reviews. If you got your client from any online marketplace, it is either you ask them on the text messages or on the platform itself. The third job servicing website must-haves will be the pricing and the packages. I understand that many service-based websites do not have pricing at all, but based on my experience with pricing and packages on your website, clearly laying out and clearly being transparent on your pricing help in converting sales much better. Here's the reason why having pricing and packages on your website helps in converting sales. The reason is simply because having transparent pricing, it is going to make your website much more friendly and inviting. Inviting in a sense of inviting your clients to make an inquiry. There are many times when customers see no pricing on a website, it may deter them from starting an inquiry. Some clients may not know what to ask, and the services that they need may be something new to them. Having all the items listed on your website can act as a gauge for your client to ask more and have a better understanding of what they will be getting. Having pricing and packages listed on your website can act as a selling kit. Whenever you receive an inquiry on your social media pages or any offline inquiry, you can get the link of your prices and just send them your website link. The next important thing to have on your job servicing website will be your processes. These processes includes the step-by-step instruction from start all the way to the end. This way your client will have a clearer picture on what to provide and what to expect next. As you can see on my website, I have a simple 3-step process to get your videos edited. So for those of you, if you are not familiar or you are new to my channel, my job servicing niche is mostly on video services. So I summarize my process into 3 simple steps. The first step will be just transferring the video files to me. At this point, the client needs to provide all the necessary instruction to me. Next, once I have gathered all the files and the instructions, the video editing will be in progress and my freelancer will need to start work. During this process, I will also highlight the number of days or the time needed for this process to complete. And lastly, my last process will be about review and revision. Having this step-by-step process will really help your client to understand the whole system better, and also you can manage your client's expectation better as well. The 5th job servicing website must-have will be the custom code page. There will be many times that your client requests for a custom code because what they see on your pricing and your packages is not really exactly what they wanted. This page is very important because this one acts as a very good lead generation tool for you. Firstly, you can get their contacts. Secondly, you can have a chance to work with the client. When I first started job servicing, I do not own a website for like almost a year, and I regret not having a job servicing website sooner. After building my own job servicing website, I have increased in sales, I have more leads, and I can convert my prospects better. And not to mention, the website actually saved me a lot of time. This is because all the necessary information is already available on my website. So whenever I have a visitor on my website, most of the clients already know what to expect and what are the price range like. Having a job servicing website also means that your customer can trust you more and are willing to pay you more for your services. So I hope these 5 job servicing website must-haves are able to help you in converting more sales and act as a guide for your future job servicing website. If you do not have one at the moment, I have more website tutorials on my YouTube channel. I will leave a link up here. And if you have any questions related to job servicing, please do leave them down in the comment section below and I'll do a video based on your questions. If you are interested to start your own job servicing business, I have more tutorials over here. So that's all for today and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!